Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A cozy, inviting outdoor scene at twilight featuring a vibrant yellow. Two-story shipping container home adorned with lush potted plants hanging from beams and placed around the patio. The warm glow of string lights casts a soft illumination, creating a magical ambience. The setting is lush with various shades of green from the foliage and potted flowers, complemented by earthy terracotta pots. A comfortable seating area, with a mix of rustic metal and soft cushions, sits on a wooden deck surrounded by an array of vibrant flowers. The background includes hints of neighboring houses, enhancing the homely atmosphere. A cozy and inviting tiny house made from a shipping container, surrounded by vibrant green plants and colorful flowers spilling from various pots. The house features large glass windows that reveal a warm, rustic interior, filled with wooden furniture and framed artwork. A spacious brick patio with wooden lounge furniture, including a plush orange sofa and armchairs, creates a relaxing outdoor space. Soft golden lighting strings are intertwined with the greenery, casting a warm glow as dusk approaches. A cozy, inviting cafe nestled in a vibrant garden setting, designed in a charming, rustic style. The building is made of rich purple wood, adorned with an array of potted herbs and lush plants cascading down wooden steps. Soft, warm lighting emanates from lanterns that illuminate the space, casting a gentle glow as twilight approaches. The scene incorporates elements of hyperrealism, showcasing intricate details of the foliage and textures of the wooden surfaces. The color palette is a mix of deep greens from the plants, warm wood tones, and the soft purples of the building, complemented by the soft orange and yellow lights. A modern, two-story house adorned with an abundance of lush green plants cascading over the balconies and windows. The structure features large glass windows that reflect the morning sunlight, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The setting is a peaceful residential neighborhood with distant mountains visible in the background. The scene is captured during the golden hour, casting soft, warm light that enhances the vibrant greens of the plants, including ferns and hanging planters. The color palette includes earthy greens, soft browns, and subtle touches of sunlight yellow, evoking a serene, nature-infused aesthetic. A cozy, vibrant home adorned with an abundance of greenery, surrounded by lush plants in terracotta pots. The setting showcases a charming, two-story structure with large windows, exuding a warm, inviting atmosphere. The exterior is painted in deep navy blue, contrasting beautifully with the vivid greens of the climbing vines and potted plants. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting soft shadows on the wooden deck where a comfortable, minimalistic seating area invites relaxation. The scene is set in a late afternoon, capturing golden hour light, which enhances the warm, earthy color palette of warm browns, greens, and hints of sunlight yellow. A picturesque wooden cabin surrounded by a lush garden, featuring a variety of herbs and plants in terracotta and ceramic pots. The cabin, with a long slanted roof and large windows, showcases warm wooden tones against a backdrop of vibrant greenery. Morning sunlight filters through the leaves of tall trees, casting dappled shadows on the rustic stone pathway that leads to the entrance. Rich earthy colors dominate the scene, with deep greens from the plants, browns from the soil and wooden features, and hints of colorful blooms. Modern architectural masterpiece featuring a contemporary house with large glass windows and a wooden facade, surrounded by lush greenery and softly illuminated by warm outdoor lighting at dusk. The setting showcases a tranquil garden with a variety of plants, including ferns and soft foliage, creating a serene atmosphere. The colors range from deep greens of the plants to the warm hues of the wooden structures and glowing lights, evoking a harmonious blend of nature and modern design. Cozy modern house exterior in a twilight setting, featuring dark blue walls adorned with lush greenery cascading down from balconies and window boxes. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, enhanced by soft golden lights illuminating the space. A stylish outdoor seating area is arranged with plush beige sofas and a wooden coffee table, surrounded by potted plants and stone pathways. The scene captures a serene blend of urban elegance with nature, using a hyperrealistic aesthetic to highlight the textures of the materials, intricate details of the foliage, and the warm glow of the lights against the dusk sky. A modern two-story house at twilight, showcasing a seamless blend of nature and architecture. The exterior is adorned with rich, dark wood panels and large glass windows, creating a hyperrealistic aesthetic. The setting features lush greenery, including potted plants and strategically placed ferns, enveloping the terrace. Soft, warm lighting from interior fixtures casts a golden glow, illuminating the open-concept living spaces visible through the glass. A wooden staircase leads to the entrance, adorned with tasteful outdoor decor. A modern two-story house designed in a minimalistic aesthetic, featuring large glass windows that reflect the warm hues of a sunset. The structure is adorned with lush greenery cascading down its sides, with vibrant plants interspersed among sleek architectural lines, creating a harmonious blend with nature. A spacious outdoor terrace is visible, furnished with elegant wooden seating and illuminated with soft ambient lighting, creating a cozy atmosphere. Below, a serene pool mirrors the surroundings, framed by dark stone tiles and further accentuated by subtle garden elements. The color palette includes deep greens of the foliage, warm earthy tones of the wood, and soft golden lights, evoking a tranquil yet sophisticated evening setting. A modern, luxurious cabin set in a serene forest environment, featuring sleek architectural lines and large glass windows that invite in natural light. The structure is surrounded by lush greenery and soft earth tones, with strategically placed plants adding a touch of warmth. A wooden patio extends from the cabin, illuminated by subtle outdoor lighting, showcasing a cozy dining area with elegant chairs and a small table. In the foreground, a tranquil pond reflects the cabin's sophisticated design, framed by smooth stones that create a harmonious balance with the surrounding landscape. The scene captures the soft glow of evening light, casting a sense of calm and tranquility, perfect for an impressionistic or hyperrealistic style.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.